Oh, come on. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy, Cole here. And today we're doing another epic coronavirus life hack. Today, we're doing what to do on a rainy day during the coronavirus pandemic. Step 1. Eat noodles. Scientifically speaking, eating noodles makes your bigger brain stronger and makes it so you can eat noodles for hours at a time and you don't even notice.
Alright guys, this is step 2 in order to survive a rainy day during the coronavirus pandemic. Today, this step is playing the Wii. Now let's go play the Wii.
No, yeah.
Alright guys, this is step 3 into surviving a rainy day during the coronavirus pandemic. This step is quite simple. It can pass hours of time and entertain you, your family, and all of your non-existent friends. This step, staring out the window at your neighbor's house for several hours, works every time, even that the police called on me a couple of times. Alright guys, there's a step 4 in coronavirus life hack rainy day tutorial. This step requires you to have a sibling and to have an easily lockable basement and a weapon. Hey Joey, get off the computer. Come on. Open it up. Yeah, get in. You don't need lights. Just like that, grab a chair. Put it against the door. And they're all good. I'm gonna get a spoon out. My camera guy was supposed to be here, so we record part 6.
Part 6.
Why are you sleeping on the job, camera guy? Wake up.
No. No.
Wait, I'll get this.
Oh no.
I'm gonna get the spoon. I'm gonna get the spoon so hard. Wake up. Anyway, guys, today... Alright, guys, this is the end of this video. Sorry it took a little longer to edit into that stuff. I was busy and I had stuff to do, but we are done. And another video will be coming out today. So don't worry. And you will learn how to be friends and make friends.